Welcome back to the DŌST Unboxing Series. Dave is back and ready to help you set up your bike. What a legend! He will walk you through three things: how to adjust your handlebar, how to adjust your saddle, and how to adjust your suspension fork. All the necessary tools can be found in your accessories box. To adjust the handlebar sweep and the stem height, you first need to loosen the 4 bolts by the stem cap and the bolt on the stem. Dave is using a 4mm Allen key for the stem cap bolts. What a boss! For the stem bolt, Dave is using a 5mm Allen key and making 7 revolutions before pushing the bolt in so it pops out the other side. Now you can adjust the height and sweep to your liking. When you're happy, push the bolt back in and screw it to secure the position. Don't forget to tighten the 4 bolts on the stem cap to secure everything in place. Make sure you're using an X pattern to tighten these bolts. Dave will not approve otherwise. Your handlebar is set to go. Next, it's time to adjust the seat height and angle. To adjust the seat height, simply loosen the seat clamp and lift or lower the seat to your desired position. You should be able to sit on the bike with your toes just touching the ground. Demonstrated perfectly here by Dave. Look at that form. What a legend! You can also move the seat backwards or forwards and change the angle. Use the 6mm Allen key provided to loosen the bolt under the seat. Adjust until happy and then tighten the bolt back in place. Great job, Dave. The final step is to adjust the suspension fork. Test the firmness by pushing down on the bike while you engage the brakes. Use the knobs at the top of the fork to adjust the firmness based on your body weight. The fork comes pre-loaded for a 180-pound rider. If this feels too soft, add preload. If this feels too firm, take away preload. If you don't want any suspension at all, use the lockup feature. Your bike is now set up, and Dave is a happy man. Check out the next video to learn how to use the extra battery. And if you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.